Hi guys, welcome back to Unboxer TV. This is Adnaan-Ahmed, your regular host on Unboxer TV. So guys, if you are watching this video, you may surely be waiting to know how to get verified on Instagram. So guys, without wasting any time, let's get straight into the topic. So before that, if you are new to my channel, consider subscribing, and if you do like this video and find it helpful, then please like this video, and if you don't like it, please dislike it, and I am free to your opinion. If you like it, please like or dislike. Okay, so with that being said, let's get started. So guys, when you head on to Instagram, I'm not still unverified, and I don't follow anyone, and others also don't follow me, as you can see. So guys, that was a little bit humorous. So let's started. So let's get started. See, I'm a little bit nervous because I'm doing it for the first time. Let's now just head on to Gmail, and in Gmail you have to compose a mail to the Instagram verification at instagram.com. That's their email address. I'll just show you the whole process, but I don't think they'll verify my account as I have a few subscribers. I have just fast forwarded this video, so I am recording a voiceover. So that's it, guys. Watch the text what I'm filling in and just click send. You just have to click send, and within 24 hours or 12 to 24 hours, your Instagram account will be verified with this type of magical symbol around. That's it, guys. If you like this video, please make sure you like it, and if you don't like it, please dislike it, and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel Unboxer TV. This is Adnan Ahmed signing off. Meet you in the next one. Thanks for watching.